Topic: Construction processes, arc welding. At the end of the lesson, the learners should understand the following concepts: arc welding, safety, protective clothing, dangers associated with arc welding, arc welding machine, basic construction and operation. Introduction. The purpose of this lesson is to expose the learner to the basics of arc welding. Concepts and skills. Safety clothing and equipment. Study the sketch below and answer the question that follows. Name the serious effects that ultraviolet rays have on the human body. Burn the skin. May cause cancer. May cause infertility. What is the purpose of wearing safety goggles, welding helmet and an overall when welding or slicing? Snails. Safety glasses should be worn to protect the eyes when cutting snails or sanding metal with an angle grinder. A welding helmet is needed to protect the face and eyes from the rays of the electric arc. It also protects the face and eyes from the heat and splashes of molten metal. The helmet is made of a black color to reduce reflection of light. The glass is a dark color to protect the eyes from arc rays and sparks. The welding operators' eyes can be damaged if they are exposed to arc rays. The strap of the welding helmet is adjustable so that it can fit around the head. A long-sleeved overall made of tough material should be worn to protect you from the hot metal and sparks. While welding. Safety precautions. Always stand on a rubber mat when arc welding. It protects you from an electric shock. Where there are no rubber mats available, shoes with rubber soles should be worn. This is especially important in damp areas. Always make sure that the floor is dry, as electric shocks can be experienced if the floor is wet. Make sure that there is no flammable material in the area that can be easily ignited by welding sparks. A fire or explosion can easily be caused by sparks. Good ventilation is needed so you can breathe easily. Always make sure that the eyes of fellow scholars of the arc rays are protected by shielding the welding area with tarpaulin or special welding screens. Name the dangers of arc welding. Never work with a welding machine where the power supply is not connected to the ground leakage circuit breaker. Never stand in water and weld. Electrode holder must be thoroughly insulated. Keep flammable materials away from flying sparks. A helmet with clear glass should be worn to protect the eyes from flying snails. A screen with dark filter glass, which fits over the clear glasses, must be worn to protect the user from ultraviolet rays when welding. It is extremely dangerous to look at the open flame with uncovered eyes when welding. It can cause painful arch eyes or even blindness. Care must be taken when welding any drums. Explosive gases or substances can lead to explosions. Certain metals such as copper, manganese steel, and galvanized metals can emit toxic fumes when welded. Types of arc welding machines: electric current that can be used for welding. Alternating current. AC, direct current. DC, inverter welding machine, DC. Transformer welding machine. Suitable for all ferrous metals. Gives a smoother finish and the transformer is cheaper. Generator welding machines. Weld non-ferrous metals. Transformer welding machine. Transform AC to DC. Suitable for ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Study the sketch of a machine used on all farms, where electricity is available, to manufacture or repair articles. Provide labels. Welding machine. Electrode holder. Workpiece. Earth clamp. Discuss the function of the rheostat. To adjust the welding current by increasing or decreasing the amperes of the welding machine, when thicker or thinner metal is welded. Name the device used to hold the welding rod in position when welding, and give a reasons why this device should be thoroughly insulated. Electrode holder. To prevent the user from getting an electric shock when welding. Activity/assessment. Teacher must work out activities on the given content and provide them to the learners. Consolidation. The lesson covered all the content as required by the CAPS. The learners understand all the concepts and content.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.